The anterior quads here are tight. That's what's pulling the hip down, makes it have the arc. The goal will be to open this up, get the drop, and then come back through the SI joint and come up and do the stretch. His hamstrings are incredibly tight, which is going to be basically the dorsal lumbar group. That's the dorsal lumbar. It's going to be right up here for the hamstrings. L5S1 is tightened up like a lock. There's nothing. Bend your knees up for me. Pull tight and drop them. He has motion through the midsection of the low back on L3, L4, but not on the sacrum. So the sacrum is going to be paramount here. We'll pull this back, do the quad stretch and mid dorsals, and it should open up real well.